Welcome guys, welcome to the video. This is Master Review. I'll be telling you the truth about this application, whether it's true or fake, so stick around to find out. Before we get started, please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe and like the video, share it to your friends, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get started. This is Master Review. This application is said to be paying for every amount you earn in this game. This application is sweet to play with and it's interesting to play with, but to be honest with you, this application is a total fake. It doesn't pay any money. You keep on playing and you end up earning nothing. You just play for fun if you like the game. And to find out what I'm telling you about, this is the cash out page. So click on this cash out and you see what I mean. You can play for as much as you want and apply for all this PayPal money, or you apply with Amazon or Line Pay or Free Cash or PayPay. But I assure you, this platform does not worth playing for money. It's just interesting and nice game to play with, and it's fun and it's good to pass time with, but it's not for making money online. So if you want to play this game for making money online, I think you should just stop wasting your time and just play it for fun. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to make money online, real money online, there will be a link in the description box below, so click on the link to check out the application that is worth making money online with. And thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much.